Rongiro taga uagiro point on the grone Kebs nendiro diretiro KUGWATA NKUNIA ngirithano chiamana na MUNG'UANA chia FERTILIZER MUTHEMBA BL-GPC kirenchuku cha thirikari NCPB gonto mwanya nthigurune Kebs MBOLEO ITIAGIRITE na nyeni ya MUNG'UANA na boni ndi batithirite baimetikira kia NCPB batirethirite ndi baitikira kia Kebs gotonya nchukune na YUGIITE byumya BL kenda bomba kwithira bakitonya nchukune Boniface Mongera na ndeto tariria
Akyama bakamete Murimi ya bunge nene ntukanore batigere barigaretwe nyuma yakorako na FERTILIZER ndoku yerendereta konderwa remi kundende gorone kolinga nawe murungamiri muno rongirwa Kebs biyestangari arioga bakonenkera kampuni kumekana BL-GPC Limited baroga kuthondeka FERTILIZER na rito GPC original betere barathondeka ndoku na rito GPC plus organic FERTILIZER.
The company displayed the mark on a product that had not undergone the mandatory certification process as stipulated by the Standards Act and governed by the applicable standard.
This product is completely different from the organic fertilizer that we certified. It is what is called dolomite.
Na nonto bogitumige kinande rongiro gukaninya kwendia mbewa ja nthigurune NCPB ibashirite Antonia thoku nonto Kebs bogiri bobethirito baigite FERTILIZER ninya kwenderia Kenya na bemenyani thoku kwa kagita kamwaka jumwe.
For this product that NCPB was distributing, that you impounded, did NCPB seek from Kebs to assure them that they had passed the standards?
Accessing samples from NCPB was a problem until the time they requested we write. And these samples were not found in other outlets in the market. They are only found in SPB outlets.
Kamiti jinande runguro tongera mubungu kumurotera tikanisu bana John Motunga neregeri kwethirigitene bakamboni ezi ne nyankoroki anene ba NCPB amwa ministry Murimi bethiro bakeresera nikia Kenya bethiro bakendro maigana nto FERTILIZER.
But what we have been able to tell Kebs today and what we have clearly articulated to them is that there are some failures in their surveillance system.
Arimi baba inge nabo bethiro bakirera mikagiri intere monyesha nthiguru nonto bakondro FERTILIZER kwethirikio Murimi byao kumakire NCPB. Mnaku ikwirikana ikumenyekana bobwega FERTILIZER ndoku terekire mubango na subsidy ile thirikari kwendia
ile FERTILIZER kwa subsidy ile inaitwa nafaka, hiyo ndio serikali inapeana. Hiyo ingine haiko kwa subsidy, ni vile tu nafuata ile njia hii FERTILIZER subsidy inatumia. Kwa kule kufuata ile njia basi ndio inaonekana kama iko kwa subsidy lakini sio subsidy.
Reporter Ntoshero TV kumaje karone bya bunge kinyi nangine kinene kimusho Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.